Super Micro Computer SMCI. And we talked about this one when it was $17.25. That was, I think, the 52-week low. It has zoomed to the upside since, and they have said now that there is absolutely no evidence of fraud. They're going to hire a new CFO because the old CFO out. But they're going to hire a new CFO. They've already got the new auditor. So this one probably goes back into the 40s, Pete, maybe even 50 within the next 30 to 60 days, given all this news.
I totally agree with you, John. I mean, it was at 123 on the 52-week highs. Now, it had that big low, as you're talking about, into the very low 17s. But there's a lot of reasons to still like this company, especially now, actually, as they've gotten the auditors looking at this and the review, and they said, you know what, we're not seeing any fraud. I think this thing's got plenty of room to the upside. I don't know at what level or speed it's going to go, but it's already moved at a pretty fast clip from that $17 level up here towards 40. And I think one of the things you've got to look at is look at that revenue generation that they're getting, John. I mean, they're 110% growth in revenue in the last year. And you know what they're projecting for 2025? 181%. So this tells me that this is a stock that, yeah, it's going to have these, ups and downs, more ups than downs. But I think those ups are going to continue to the upside for a lot longer. So I've talked a lot about 3 of them in a row now where I'm pretty daggone bullish. I think we're both bullish for the right reasons. It makes a lot of sense, and we needed somebody to come out there and say, hey, look, we don't see any evidence of fraud. Fraud's a big deal. And if there is any evidence of that, that's would have really hit the stock again. But since they're saying there's not, I think this thing has a lot more room to the upside.